Hello from Stumbles
and Fumbles.
So today, sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. We just got done with our deer hunts and that kind of stuff, so had a few extra days. So I'll let Fumbles tell you our plan.
So today we're going to take a drive down Route 66 and just hit some of the little side spots. Like right now, we're here at Schaefer Fishbowl Spring. You can just hike up to it off of Route 66. You pull over and there's some stairs and there's some goldfish in there. And for all you birders out there, there's a bunch of black-throated sparrows.
Okay, we'll see ya. So this is the top of Sidgrove's Pass before you come out of it's where you come out of Golden Valley, right before where you drop into Oatman and the old, I guess for lack of better words, ghost towns that you travel through in the mine on this side of it. But anyway, this is old 66, so can you imagine bringing the old commercial vehicles and big motorhomes for this road before I-40? Must have been quite a ride. So here's one of the working gold mines here on old 66 right before you get into Oatman. It's open and closed at different times depending on, I think, the price of gold and how much it's getting at that time, if it's worth them doing it to make a profit. But it's open now. In the past I'd come here and they had tours where you could actually go in the mine. I don't think they're doing that right now, but it was the typical where you could pan for gold and all that stuff. Didn't do that, but the tour itself into the mine was actually pretty good. We learned a lot and enjoyed it.
Okay, so now we're coming into the town of Oatman, and we really like this town. I don't know what it is, if it's just because it feels so alive when you come into it. It's full of tourists, the burros on the street that you can feed. Their little babies are so adorable, and there's times we've been here and it's just packed. I mean, you could sit in the on the road for 10 minutes just waiting to get through because it's so congested. But today it looks like it's not so bad. I'll give you a little. We also heard that they actually have an escape room here in town. We haven't seen it yet, but I think that would be kind of fun. It kind of fits the Oatman vibe, being a ghost town. Let's see if we can find some burros. Here's some of the shops. Oh, here we go. We're coming up on some of the burros you can see. And they're really friendly. They know pretty much that you're gonna feed them. Oh, there's a baby. So cute. Here we go. We're going to have a really nice close-up. Oh, hi, sweetie. Yeah, he thinks I'm going to feed him. Sorry, I don't have anything. So here's some more of the shops. And if you're ever traveling Route 66, you really need to come here. Probably go in the shops and watch the gunfight and get the whole experience, because it's really a neat little town. See you next time.
All right, so we're going to end the trip today down at the Havasu National Wildlife Refuge at Pintail Slough, which is just north of where Route 66 ends in Golden Shores. We come down here a lot. The boys and I were more into the hunting and fishing down here, and as you can see behind us, hopefully, it's full of ducks, and we're standing in one of the duck blinds now, but we've seen everything from burros to beavers to bobcats to coyotes and numerous ducks here, but today we're here for Fumble, so I'll let her explain.
This is one of my favorite places to come to view wildlife. I am a self-proclaimed birder, and even our boys call me the bird nerd, so I like to come do photography and see what birds are migrating through from the north to the south. And even if you just came to walk your dog through, it's just such a nice area. And it only fills up with water during the migration or the hunting season. During the summer it's dry, but you can still catch some of the littler birds that come in and some of the kind of the regulars, the thrashers and the verdins. But it's a nice place to stop, especially if you enjoy wildlife.
So until next time, from Stumbles
and Fumbles.
See ya.